Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English class. Today, we're going to learn two small but very important words, some and any. We use these words all the time when we talk about food, friends, money, or things we have and don't have. By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly when to say some and when to say any, with lots of simple examples and a short exercise to test yourself. So, are you ready? Let's start. What do some and any mean? Both some and any mean a few or a little. We use them to talk about quantity when we don't say exactly how much or how many. But we use them in different situations. We use some in positive sentences or affirmative. There are some flowers in the garden. They made some mistakes in the test. Offers and requests. Can I have some sugar, please? Would you like some cake? We use any in negative sentences. There aren't any buses today. I don't have any homework today. In questions. Do you have any brothers or sisters? Are there any shops open now? Now, are you ready to practice? Let's do the exercises together. Fill in the blanks with some or any. Sentence 1. I have blank friends in London. Which one is correct? Any or some? Remember, the sentence is positive, so the answer is some. Sentence 2. There isn't blank water in the bottle. This sentence is negative, right? We said we use any in negative sentences and questions. Answer: there isn't any water in the bottle. It means the bottle is empty. No water at all. Sentence 3. Do you have blank questions? This is a question. We usually use any in questions. Answer: do you have any questions? Sentence 4. Can I have blank bread, please? This is a request, asking politely. We use some in offers or polite requests. Answer: can I have some bread, please? Sentence 5. She doesn't have blank money. Negative. Use any. Answer: she doesn't have any money. Sentence 6. There are blank apples on the table. Positive. Use some. Answer: there are some apples on the table. Sentence 7. Is there blank milk left? Question. Use any. Answer: is there any milk left? Sentence 8. I need help with my homework. Positive. Use some. Answer: I need some help with my homework. Sentence 9. We don't have eggs. Negative. Use any. Answer: we don't have any eggs. Sentence 10. Would you like juice? Polite offer. Use some. Answer: would you like some juice? How many did you get right? If you got all of them, amazing job! And that's it for today's lesson. Now you know how to use some and any like a pro. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends who are learning English. See you in the next video. Bye for now.